Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Well, I'm back with Project Melanie the Miata. Man, this thing is a freaking nightmare. I'm a little out of breath. I already got the car lifted off the ground. As you all know, a project car is a never-ending project, or a race car is a never-ending project. So, last video, which if you haven't seen, I took off the fender and replaced it, which I did a little bit to try to get this out. It looks significantly better. I wouldn't be surprised if I ever hit that again. I do need to get a paint marker made so I can just fill this in so it doesn't look like completely the wrong color, but I really don't care if that's the wrong color. But when I had that accident, I didn't know, but this happened. And for those of you who don't know, what causes something like this is a bad wheel bearing. Where's the front? This is the front. This right here is a hub and wheel bearing. Let's get this out of the plastic. Hub and wheel bearing. Wheel bearing. With something like this, it can be done in one of two ways. I can buy the bearing by itself, and I can get it pressed in, which is a nightmare. And even though I work at a shop, the techs were like, if you can avoid it at all costs. The second option is to buy a hub and bearing assembly. This was $15 more for a, oh, it will not focus. 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 Ford focus. There we go. It was $15 more to get the entire assembly. If I would have gotten these each individually, it would have been like $45 more. This entire project is literally 7 bolts. The 4 lug nuts, the axle nut, which there's technically no axle because it's a rear-wheel drive car, so the front has no power going to it, but I guess the hub nut, and the 2 bolts on my calipers, on my brakes. So the goal is to get this done in about 30 minutes or less. No, this gun does not have enough power to take the wheels off. I broke it loose before I got the car off the ground. These things are so stupid light. There we go. I'm trying to do this without having to take apart the caliper and bracket. I'm trying to do this all as one unit. Staying off of that. There's definitely some play in here. So, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but there's definitely play in this hub. I remember that I bought some pry bars, and they're actually strikeable. Okay, I just wanted you guys to be aware of what's going on. I have come to the conclusion I'm going to need a new cap regardless. So what I did was I just punched it all the way through, and this cap is still not coming off. So I bought a set of pry bars. This is the littlest one, of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try making the hole big enough so I can get the biggest pry, not one of the biggest, but one of the bigger pry bars in, and hopefully some heat, and that gets it out. But at this point, I'm like getting really pissed off because like this should not be this difficult. And I'm also gonna figure out how to get this back out the other way. Okay, so I got actually the little pry bar all the way through, and I think I'm starting to make progress. I made progress. I did it. Man, that was really freaking frustrating. That was so frustrating. Oh, I don't know how I'm about to get this bearing off either. Wow, that was a little too easy. This should be the fun part. Whoa! Yeah, you can see the back of this, how much grease it was putting out. Because, well, it broke. Look at the difference between these two. This is the new one. This is the new one. This is the old one. This looks... Wow. That is something else. There we go. I guess it helps if I put it in straight. Alright, this is set to 140 pounds. Okay. To punch it to make sure that the, whatchamacallit, is gonna hold. You always want to do this. I don't actually have a punch, so I'm just gonna use a punchable pry bar. That is definitely the right way. Yep, I'm really smart with those particles. Okay, so this cap cannot go back on. So I can't actually drive the car until I get a new cap, which I've already ordered one online. It sucks because you can't go to like any auto parts store and buy one because this car is 30 freaking years old. So they don't make one. Yeah, I definitely need new pads before I start tracking the car. This isn't enough to like actually get the tire like seated. I still pull out the torque wrench and do the old-fashioned, but it's a quicker to just you know. There's no play. That's all good. I'm not gonna take the car off. Well, I'll probably put it on the ground. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Right now I'm gonna go home. I'm not even gonna clean up. I'm just gonna go inside. I'm really freaking tired. It's 9:30. I expected to have this done by 7:30, so kind of tells you how working on cars goes. I'm also hungry. Again, I expected to be done at 7:30, so I expected to eat already. I definitely need to shower, and then I have to go to bed soon because I work at 7 a.m. So I have to be like there by 7 a.m. Thank you so much for watching. Melanie is really happy to, you know, be put back together. Isn't that right, Melanie? You old girl. All right, so Melanie's happy to be like put back together and like functioning correctly. I was hoping to take her out to Woodward tonight, but like I said, it's too late. I don't even want to take the Focus out to Woodward tonight. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys learned something just as well as I did on how to destroy dust caps. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to, you know, like, comment down below. Seriously, comment down below if there was a better way to get that dust cap off, because I tried heating it up, I tried chiseling it like the edge. I could not get anything done for that dust cap. And then, you know, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying not to like go into the light. Sure, well, I'm struggling, the struggles of camera editing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.